Put your stuff away. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick speed test for the new iPhone 12 that I just got, alongside compared to my wife's iPhone XS Max. Okay, and we're gonna see if because right now, as you can see over here, I don't know if you can see it, but the iPhone 12 does show the 5G symbol, and we do have 2 bars, and the XS Max shows 3 bars on it, LTE. And we're just gonna do a quick one, and just so you guys see which one is faster. So I don't know if we do have 5G in the area where I live at, and I don't know how good or how bad it is, but it does show that it has 5G, and we're gonna run a couple tests and to see if it really matters. Okay, all right. Okay, so here we're gonna put on this one right, not that one, this one right there. So we're gonna click go for both of them. So on my left hand side, that's my new iPhone 12 that I bought for $520 or $530 around there. And on my right hand side, we have the iPhone XS Max. Okay, and as you can see, the bar wise is the same. It's 2 bars LTE, and the other one it's 5Gs, and it's a 2 bar as well. So this one has it shows, okay, it's pretty much the same, but except for the 5Gs on the upload. You can see right there, the 5G has a 27 upload speed, and over here it only has 2.1 megabyte. So we're gonna do it again one more time just to get like a more accurate test. So you can see it's now it's staying at like 16 on the download, and on the right hand side the iPhone XS Max gets 50. Let's see about the upload speed still. So the iPhone 12 upload speed is 28.9, and the iPhone 10 XS Max is only at 2.3. Okay, so we're gonna do one more. So make it 3 times, so that way we can see for ourselves. Right now, about 20, 21 for the iPhone 12, iPhone 10 XS Max 26. So it's pretty much about the same. But the difference is really where it shows the upload speed. You can see here on the 5G is like 36.4, yet on the XS Max only 1.92. So okay, so that's the test. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to show you guys my Google. Let's see if it picks up the Wi-Fi. Okay, the Wi-Fi speed here. Okay, let me see. So okay, so now we're gonna try our Wi-Fi speed. I have Google Wi-Fi, so, and then I have Frontier. So I'm supposed to get 500 down and 500 up. So the upload speed is pretty quick on the iPhone 12. 80, 88.6 on the, not that much of a difference, 78. So we're gonna do maybe one more for the Wi-Fi. So downloads has 53.3 for the XS Max, and the other one is 49.4. Upload speed is 87 and 80. Okay. So, if you ask me if 5G, if it does make a big difference, I would say no. Or maybe in my area, the 5G does not really exist. Or maybe just I'm too far away from the tower or something. I only get 2 bars. And the speed wise is not that great as I'm expecting it in like maybe like 400 or 500 at least, but it's you get the same speed as the LTE. So that's pretty much wrap it for this video. As far as maybe I should find out where the tower for the 5G is, and then probably go there and test it out. But other than that, from where I'm at now, the 5Gs and the 4G LTE, it's about the same. Only the upload speed a little bit faster, that's all. And just a little bit of comparison, the XS Max seems really heavy compared to the iPhone 12. Okay, that's pretty much wrapped up for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Other than that, it's what's today? Thursday night. So have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.